Yep, this is how I'm ending up week 30. Welcome back to another video. Lenka Katsula from growwithlenka.com, helping you hit your online breakthrough. Today we're talking about Facebook groups and how you can use them to grow your business, get more leads, prospects, and customers for your business. Coming up. Before we get into today's tips, I want you to comment below this video. Are you using Facebook groups? If not, why not? And if you do, are you happy with your results? Comment below. Let me first give you a few reasons why you should be using Facebook groups if you aren't using them yet. First of all, it creates amazing culture. I don't believe there's any other place that helps you create such an engaged community as Facebook group that's very targeted at this moment. That second reason, it's targeted audience, people only that are interested in that topic and type of group and community will be part of it and will be engaged. So for you as a marketer, it's amazing targeting, very targeted audience, and you're talking directly to people that you should be talking to. So it's great lead funnel. And you get to track your prospects, who is active, who's actually adding more people to the group and is being helpful to the community. It gets to track the customers. You can upsell. There's amazing retention. If you have customer-based group, you're gonna get into the types of groups. So when you have customer group and all the testimonials, when you're launching something new, a product, a campaign, a sale, anything that you do in that group for those customers, and I'm gonna give you tips later on, it helps you to upsell the customer base that you're currently having. So it helps your team and it helps the duplication, because when people see all that traction, it helps to really close those people and to take that action. So it helps your team, it duplicates, and they know that all they have to do is invite people to that group, because that group is gonna help them for them to see the environment and the results they're gonna have. If you're struggling to invite people to your presentation, and when you actually do invite them, they don't show up. If you're sick of all those curiosity, spammy posts that people don't no longer want to see, they're not interested in them. If you truly want to have a system that works while you sleep and you have excited prospects as customers that want to join and buy, groups are a place to be at. But you cannot expect to happen by itself. You still need to upgrade, you need to engage, you need to create that environment, you need to invite people in, follow up, and actually do the closing part. So it helps you to expose people to whatever you are offering. It helps you to follow up. It helps you to overcome lots of objections, but it's still the tool, and you'll have to keep doing the work you're supposed to do in order to make this work and really build up that momentum. What can be groups used for? You can have a team group, you can have customer group, you can have one that is generic, maybe for moms or people who love horse riding, who have dogs, who love to travel. It can be business group where you can put tips, coaching group like I have. But no matter what type of group you are creating, there are 3 ingredients you need in order to make it work. You need to create content, you need to grow your engagement, and you need to create culture. Right from the start, set rules that there are no spam allowed, there is no negativity, nobody should be put in the group without their permission. You need to ask that person first, they are actually interested and they want to be part of that group. You need to take care of it, you need to put in the effort, but at the same time, not overdo it, not overpost, not oversell, overpromote. People are sick of that and you become that spammy group. So instead, educate and really offer some value, entertainment, and create that community. How do you grow such a group? You can go to other groups in the same niche and start connecting there. Put a lot of value in those other groups, put those eyeballs on you, go to their posts, react, connect, answer questions, help other people, encourage them. And by putting those eyeballs on you, people will want to connect with you. It will help you with friend requests. People will want to know who you are. And at the same time, it will drag attention back to your profile where they can see that you do have your own community in the same niche, on the same topic that they want to be part of as well. So what you can do is on regular basis, add yourself to new groups, even small ones that are very specific, that are value-based, that answer specific questions, maybe just one part of what you're covering inside your group. You may have like 5 main topics, and go and find very specific groups just for that one specific area. Or it can be people in the same situation as you. I'm pregnant, I can go to pregnancy groups. I already have 2 kids at home, so I can go to moms groups, parents who build online, marketers, social media. I can choose any passion or thing that is happening in my life and go connect with like-minded, similar-oriented people. Always lead with value, always answer other people's questions, help them solve their problems, encourage them, empower their life, change something, make them smile, and position yourself as the expert on the topic that you are trying to solve. Share your story, your experience, no spamming, and understand that this is gonna take time. It takes a lot of effort and consistency. That's the key in everything that you will do ever. Don't expect that something's gonna happen in a few days or weeks. Give it maybe even a few months, year, and you will see amazing growth. If you want to see what to post inside your group, I've already done a training on the content that actually converts in Facebook groups. So I'm gonna link that training below this video. Content has to be relevant and to the date. It has to be from recent days, something that's trending, topics that are interested. You can have so much inspiration online from news, Google News. You can go even to, if you are in lifestyle niche, to magazines and see what people actually read. You can look up podcasts in your niche, in your industry, for your service or product, and see what people are talking about, what are they listening, what they download the most, what are trending podcasts, and see the topics that people are interested in, what kind of struggles and questions they are answering there, and create content around that. When you have content that matters to that audience, you're gonna get so much more engagement. How to grow the engagement, also training below this video. Basically, what you need to do is really make those people react. Ask a question, have them answer, do polls, and you yourself have to be engaging with that community as well. So answer all the comments, answer all the questions, and share testimonials, highlight other people so they are motivated to connect and to engage. Very popular tool is do interviews. The interview with someone who was a success story, customer testimonial, or someone that can help the community with specific problem. Big growth of the group and engagement inside happens when you're actually doing very exclusive Facebook Lives. You're doing raffles, you're doing campaigns and contests and challenges. With challenges, I would make them shorter, 3 to 5 days, because when you make them longer, people tend to fall off and they never stick to it. So when it's a week or even longer, not many people will finish. So make sure everyone knows what is the challenge about or the campaign, what it takes, how to get in. Maybe better if you create an event for that specific challenge or campaign or contest that you're doing, raffle. Create some kind of document, file, PDF that they can actually download. They have everything inside, maybe some kind of checklist, what's needed, what will be part of it, some kind of schedule. It depends on the type of groups, but it can be water challenge, no sugar challenge, app challenge if you're in that niche, how to make more sales, mindset challenge, business oriented, It depends who you are doing it for and what will be the end goal. Something that people actually can have results in that short period of time. They can immediately see a difference. And it really helps you to get more people in, get that engagement up, your team is excited, customers are excited, and it creates more sales. So there's plenty of choices how you can use Facebook groups for getting that sales funnel full, to get more customers, get more prospects that are so excited to join you. You just need to put in the work and effort as with anything. So I hope this was helpful. If you need any help with Facebook groups, put down in the comments what I can help with, and I'm looking forward to talking to you in next video.